Let's go on in and see what we got. Got some Rota 17x7, 4x114, 500 bucks, best offer, set of 4, sports bronze. Got some cross drilled and slotted rotors for some 4-lug and 5-lug models. We have some remaining bushings, energy suspension and pro theme. Shift bushings, lower control arm bushings, sway bar bushings, Moog ball joints, 240S14, SPC adjustable ball joints, Civic Integra Accords, brake pads, front and rear Honda Civic Acura Integras, D2 coilover, 3rd gen Eclipse GT, Takiko rear struts S14, 50 bucks a piece on blowout. Got some 2050 Royal Purple on blowout, case price. Mishimoto hoses, Integra, Civic, B16 and more. B&M short shifter, dual bend, stainless steel. Accord mid pipe, 98-02, 50 bucks. Brand new Russell 4-wheel disc brake line kit, 100 bucks. K20 Skunk 2 wrinkle black intake manifold with gasket, brand new. Foul fan 125 slimline. Various dump tubes for our Blueridge Motorsports manifolds. Vibrant 2.5 inch and 3 inch turbo back mufflers. 18 inch chrome pipes. 20 piece closed in lug nut set. Various fluids, Motul, Ineos, Honda, Royal Purple, Redline. We've also got Ineos 5W30 full synthetic by the case. Case price $7 a quart. Honda manual transmission fluid, you always have that. Motul 15W50 300V racing oil. That's what we run the race car. On to the first cabinet. I've got a couple Garrett 60-1s, brand new. We've got some drop engineering lug nuts, purple, gold, black, blue, red. I've got a Precision 6765 dual ball bearing, 1,400 bucks, exhaust coated, 10 passes, made 800 plus. Lots of ARP head studs, main studs, wheel studs, flywheel bolts, exhaust manifold studs, and more. We keep a ton of Tile Sport NVR and NVS springs for the wastegate. Honda OEM oil filters. We've got Skunk 2 valve springs, retainers. Tile Sport Q 50mm blow-off valves. NVS and NVR wastegates. NGK plugs. Iridium center V-power. Also got ACL race bearings, B series, D series, H series, F series, K series and more. LS VTEC dowel pins, all LS VTEC components, sandwich plates, lines, fittings, adapters and more. We've got B series block fittings, Fiera valve guides. We've got a unorthodox pulley for the power steering, Acura K20 RSX. Got some Jim Wolf intake guides for SR20. B series block fittings. Lots of Dash 10 AN fittings, red and black for Grola brand. Mishimoto radiator caps. Brand new B series wrist pins, JECP. Bungs, fuel pumps, fittings, all that hard to find stuff. I've got a used Spearco intercooler, 100 bucks, first person to take it. We've got a wall of fittings, dash 4 to dash 20 AN. We also have Honda heat shield gaskets, RCI fuel tanks, more ARP studs, Aeromotive, Air Equip for Grola, and the list goes on with the fittings, black and blue anodized. We've got steel braided lines, pre-made, 10 inch, 18 inch, 36 inch. Keep a good selection of OBD 0 to 1 ECU jumper harnesses, as well as A to B, B to A to 1, and B to 1. ARP studs for the GSR Type R LS VTEC. Got a clutch line up here for a 1996 Prelude, 20 bucks, brand new, Goodrich. Also got a Russell for a 99 SI. Take 20 bucks for it. On over here, we've got more Vibrant product. Flanges, MVR, MVS, 3-bolt, 3-inch, 2.5-inch, ARP rod bolts, flywheel bolts, wheel studs, pressure plate bolts. Fluid dampener, one of our big sellers. We've got 4G63, Evo, Duramax, GM, Dodge, K-Series, B-Series, H-Series, K-Series, and more. We've got a good selection of Cometic head gaskets, Honda, Acura, Nissan, Toyota, all bore and thicknesses. We've got a lot of flanges we machine in-house, T3, T4, T4 divided, 38, 38 threaded, 4-bolt, 2.5-inch, 3-inch GT, 5-bolt, and so forth. We've got 3-inch, 2-inch, 2.5-inch, 2.25 steel braided flex for the fabricators. A couple SuperTech B16, B18 block guards, Hasport EK, STK motor mounts. Lots of fabrication components. V-band mild steel, stainless steel, 3-inch clamps, stubs, couplers. Machined in-house head flanges, K-Series, D-Series, B-Series, H, F, and more. Pro cans, Vibrant Vangeon 3-inch. Got some quick release 3-inch clamps there, Vibrant. I've got a few bulbs here. 60 bucks takes all 15 sets there, random sizes. We've got our Evo 8, 9 battery tray, small relocation tray. Of course, we offer all our Blueridge Motorsports manifolds, turbo kits, and more. I've got a Vibrant B-Series tensioner black. Let it go pretty cheap, brand new with hardware. Coolant cans handmade here at Blueridge Motorsports in Hickory. Civic, Integra, Del Sol, CRX, and more. Nissan and some others. Another black Pro can, CNC with our name on it. S14 combo can. Some more Integra bolt-in coolant cans. All aluminum construction, CNC filler caps, and more. TIG welded right here. Got some more for fluid dampener, excuse me. A couple valve covers we need to let go of here. Single cam non-VTEC, B-Series VTEC, and B-Series non-VTEC. There's some of our Integra drop-in coolant cans. Another RCI 1-gallon fuel cell. Competition clutch authorized dealer since '03, since they opened the doors. We stock flywheels, clutches, disc, twin disc, and more. I've got a few K&N parts left. Got some KN 138s for all the Suzuki ATVs out there. $6 a filter. Got some recharged oil and more. A few NOS items left. Some switches, bottle caps. And we've got some MSD left over. MSD Pro Billet replacement caps and buttons. Coil driver, cap, and more. I've got a blue racing seat for $100, or we'll throw in the G-force harness for 25 more. 5-point quick release. Got a fully built ERL K24 short block, 12.5 compression, CP pistons, 87.5mm bore, BC brand new rods, ACL bearings, full spec sheet. 3,000 or best offer. Got a couple used heads here. I've got a RLZ ported B-Series head that I'll sell, and I've got a top line aftermarket cast-in GSR head. Both of those are for sale. We also keep the Gates Racing timing belts, B16 and GSR. Got those on the shelf. Turbo XS products, blow-off valves, boost controllers, downpipes, catbacks, and more. HVC2 MSD coil, 68mm throttle body, K20 RSX Type S RLZ ported cylinder head, Viera valves, ready to go. $1,900 or best offer. Richmond B18B/LS B16 spool. A few passes on it. $200 will take it. Got a couple AM widebands left. Got some door actuators, $10 a piece. Couple used odometer gauges, volts, oil pressure, little temp. 5-inch cobalt tack with shift light, 150 bucks. AEM B series black fuel rail. BDH F series AEM regulator. A few more drop engineered lug nuts. 4 lug kits, purple, gold, black, blue, red, and more. Got a brand new EGT gauge back there. Got a junior Jagster 3 3/8 tack. And a couple other things there. We keep Bosch replacement widebands, autometer, boost, and oil temp hardware kits. Got a 95 through 99 Cavalier dual pod. I need to let it go, 20 bucks. I'll give you a little observation here. CP pistons, 85 millimeter, 9.7 to 1. Sorry, 84.5 on those. I do have 85 though. More wrist pins. Got main studs. I got a classic AEM old school silver timing gear, brand new. Single cam, 85 through 87 Civic, 92, 96 Prelude, 95, 98 Odyssey. F series for the most part, old school Integra 86, 89. Keep quite a bit of Honda OEM, oil pumps, water pumps, timing belts, seals, and more. Quartermaster double carbon B series, brand new. Brand new set of K20 EGDC innovative mount kit. All the pieces brand new, powder coated black, 70A urethane, 350 bucks. Honda heat shield gaskets, all applications. Silicone couplers, 4-ply, 2-inch to 5-inch. Straights, bends, reducers, and more. We've got quite a few Honda engine harnesses. Good complete harnesses. We've got a set of ITBs off a Hayabusa with injector, 200 bucks for best offer. Got some Ford pickup truck vent visors, EP3 lip, RSX strut bar. Got some random NOS bracketries, some 98 to 02 J swap, the J series Accord intakes with filters, 25 bucks. We've got some TCMs over here for some Integras. Evo 89 strut bar, 1995 strut bar, 1995 strut bar, Password JDM S13 with the JDM front coolant plates, 94 to 01 GSR AEM titanium series from way back intake tubes. Got 2 of those in good shape. Fuel cell or water reservoir for water to air. Used muffler, used steering wheel, a couple more used filters, some hardware here. We've got a performance kit off one of the early generation 06 SI Jackson Racing Supercharged kits. Factory OE Type R K20 flywheel in great shape. 2.5-inch, 3-inch, and more T-bolt clamps. S13 coolant overflow tank, custom coolant overflow tank off the race car, new speed front strut bar, DG or DC. I've got some new tie rods, inner and outers, got some brake shoes, some random parts. I've got a new T1 can without the filters, There's the Evo battery tray. Fidanza H&F series short shifters, 20 bucks. B series valve cover with 4-10 ports on it. Mishimoto hose kits, black, blue, and red available. And then of course all the Honda parts, timing belts, water pumps, oil pumps, valve cover gaskets, T-brackets, and more. We keep a lot of steel braided line in the back. Got a lot of that, dash 4 through 20. Just show you a quick little view here. We've got vibrant 2-inch to 4-inch polish ready to go. We also have other stainless steel material ready to go. We have bends, 45s, straights, and more. Everything's on sale. Gotta go. Go, go, go. Wholesale and retail welcome.